Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Do you love Cards Against Humanity, but maybe you need a new pack of cards to kind of freshen up the game for you? We just got this expansion pack for our Cards Against Humanity Family Edition and are absolutely loving it. It's super, super fun. So, of course, this accompanies the Family Edition Cards Against Humanity game perfectly. You can see side by side the boxes, the size difference. So, in this expansion pack, you're getting 300 new cards to mix in with your existing game. So it's a really fantastic set of cards, and they are just as hilarious as the original Cards Against Humanity Family Edition game. On top of it, the box actually glows in the dark, which I tested this out and it really does. So that's super fun for a game room. Why not have a box that glows in the dark? And it actually comes with a set of cute glow in the dark stickers as well that are appropriately hilarious and gross to the game. So I'm super happy with this. When you play Cards Against Humanity, you know how easy it is to get into several rounds of games. And so you go through the cards pretty quickly. So this is fantastic to just kind of cycle through, add new cards in that you might be surprised to pop up as you're playing the game and just make it all the more hilarious. So I love this expansion pack for the Family Edition Cards Against Humanity. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.